Natural vegetative propagation. Among seed plants, natural vegetative propagation is very common. It is of three types: by roots, by stem, and by leaves. By roots. Some plants develop adventitious buds on them. Example, guava, shisham. Some tuberous adventitious roots, besides possessing adventitious buds, also contain sufficient quantities of food. Example, dahlia and sweet potato. By stem. Some plants reproduce by means of stem straggling, and branched rhizomes reproduce by vegetative reproduction. Example, banana, ginger, turmeric. Stem tubers are found in potato and artichoke. Tuber of potato is a swollen apical part of an underground stem branched, bears a number of nodes or eyes. Each eye bears one or more buds. New plants are produced from the buds on the eyes. The potato crop is raised by tubers and not by seeds. Runner is aerial weak stem, for example in lawn grass, mint, and wood. Sorrel, when touches the ground, gives off adventitious roots at nodes. When the older part of plant dies, the branches separate from the parent plant and form independent plants. A bulb also bears a number of buds, example, garlic and onion. Corms like crocus, colocasia, etc. have sufficient stored food and also bear many adventitious buds. By leaves. In some plants, notched margins of fleshy leaves bear adventitious buds. When the leaf falls on the soil, the buds develop into small plants under favorable condition. These plantlets, on being detached, develop into independent plants. Example, Bryophyllum, begonia.